It's not just about the treatments, it's also how they handled me as a patient. They addressed all my concerns. Every session was customized to what I needed.
From zombie mode to normal mode, nawala ko na yung tungkod kong payong ping pumapasok. And comfortable dito. Caring sila lahat. It feels like a home.
Hindi na ako nagre-rely sa mga painkillers. Ever since na pumunta ako dito from the door hanggang dun sa treatment room, ina-appreciate ko the way they treat patients. Very accommodating ang tao. Hindi ako nagkamali na dito ako nagpunta sa FADISAB Clinic.
Thank you for helping me and my husband improve our physical health. May you continue to take care and help other people with your commitment to quality service and of course, your warm hospitality.
Actually, check-up lang ang gusto ko pero napadiretso na ako sa therapy. Yung dating hanggang ganyan yung kamay ko, ang abot. Ngayon, yan, umaabot na siya.
I really look forward to my therapy sessions. Therapy sessions can really make a difference. My wife and I are always grateful for all your help.
Alagang FADISAB ako.
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 Alagang FADISAB ako. Approved.
Sa loob ng 7 taon, hindi lang simpleng therapy ang naibigay namin, kundi pag-asa para muling makagalaw ng walang takot at sakit. Bawat hirap tumayo, maglakad, or injury na nararamdaman nyo, kasama nyo kami sa laban na iyon. Mananatili ang isang pangako, maalagang serbisyo, tamang paggamot, at taos-pusong nagmamalasakit. Dahil dito sa FADISAB, alagang FADISAB tayong lahat.